Before this video starts, as you guys probably know, it's Kidney Cancer Awareness Month, and I've challenged you guys to raise $1,000 for kidney cancer awareness. Now, a couple of you have been asking about the ribbons that I have on my car. They look like this. The ribbons are going to be 2 for $10 or 4 for $20 or however much you want to donate. If you'd like to order a set of ribbons or you just want to contribute to the cause of raising $1,000 from the IgnitionTube family, just send an email to ignitiontubecares@gmail.com. And if you donate directly to Driven to Cure, make sure to send a screenshot to ignitiontubecares@gmail.com. Any donations that you guys make will get you access to a Facebook group where I'll be posting S4 mods and stuff that I do this spring. So join me in raising awareness for rare forms of kidney cancer and every kind of cancer out there. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This is the current status of my car. It actually looks like a Ferrari FF, if you look from this angle. This is my Ferrari FF Audi S4. You can just see the ducktail right here. That's the only bit of carbon showing besides the diffuser. That's pretty funny. Pretty sure it's road legal now. Ready to drive down the street. We got our headlights out. That means you can see the indicators too. And I got a little bit of windshield free. Oh, we gotta do the brake lights too. There's one. There's two. All right, perfect. Road legal. I just picked up Palin. I don't know if you guys can see me. There is a lot more snow than the last video, which is literally just a week ago. Oh. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see what I plowed here.
You can even.
Yeah, that's from me. That's the bottom of my car. So we're gonna go to my grandparents' house to shovel their walk, and then we are gonna go out and film a donut because one of my coworkers, Simon, said that I should do a donut. So I told him I'd get him a donut video. We're gonna get Simon a donut video. Well, at least they plowed this. This wasn't, oh, there's the plow right there. This was all like a foot of snow when I was driving in.
Yeah, my street's one of the last streets to get plowed.
It is really slippery underneath though, like the whole car goes sideways.
That is gnarly.
So I think because it was warmer earlier, all the stuff underneath got wet, melted, and now it's just all slippery. So I could have put my snow tires on this weekend when we were painting my brakes, which you guys don't know about yet, but I didn't do it. My father is convinced that I won't make it up a certain hill near my grandparents' house, so this video is also to prove him wrong. So this is the hill that my father is convinced I won't make it up. We're gonna prove him wrong right now. I also realized that last video that I made like this, I just harped on the fact that these have less grip than snow tires the whole time, so this time I'm gonna try to talk less about it. But I'm not even spinning, the car's not even trying. Right up the hill. It would have been even better on snow tires. My grandfather has a rear-wheel drive had a rear-wheel drive Lexus and could not get up this hill in the snow. There were many times that he had to park the car at our house. Look at this. Nice clear road. I have this thing called traction. Yeah, there's a truck right there. Okay, we'll go around and we'll get out of here. Oh, there's a front end loader too.
Whoa. Those
are the guys that you don't want to mess with. Those are the guys that get angry at you.
But at the same time, I feel like plowing snow would be such a satisfying,
Too much correction. Can't tell this guy's plowed down there.
Thank you.
We're gonna do it and we're gonna get the heck out of here.
I'll do it as I'll start now.
Just stand right here. All right. It smells like tires.
Okay, we're not gonna make that. I don't know if we can make that. Oh.
That's literally the curb, though. plow. Oh. I really hope that thing didn't scratch the side of my car, but I'm assuming it did. All right.
Dude, hey, drive safe.
I'll
Later,
try.
YouTube. Have a good night, guys.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Sorry, Pound. I know it's your neighborhood, but I can't resist. Trying to work on my hand control. I noticed in the last video that I was really shuffling my hands back and forth when I was sliding, so now I won't do that. I know I'm not supposed to cross my arms either, but we'll get there. Now, I'm no professional drifter. I'm just trying to take in the tips that I found on the internet. I bet you we could do a donut in the middle of Powell Street. I may try to do that real quick. I hope he doesn't mind. This is gonna be close. This may not happen. Oh yeah. I just realized there was someone in their garage right there. Oh well. Oh, wall tap. Oh, wall tap. There was a little wall tap there. Luckily it's a snowbank and not a real wall. The funniest thing about this whole drifting thing is I get home and the back of my car is always clean because of the amount of heat generated from this exhaust and from this motor. Like, this bumper doesn't even feel cold. It's pretty warm, and that's why there's no snow on any of it.